This is how to fix Spotify with no internet connection problem. Make sure to go to the App Store, search up Spotify, and update and install the app. You will most likely have to uninstall the app and install it again. But however, if that doesn't work, you open up Spotify and it still does not work. We're gonna head over to our settings, go to where it says Wi-Fi, and turn on Wi-Fi. And make sure you are connected to some type of Wi-Fi. If you're not nearby any Wi-Fi, go back to settings and go to cellular. And make sure cellular data is on with roaming off. A good way to test if your Wi-Fi is working, just go to Safari and go to any website you'd like. For example, I'm gonna hit Apple right here. If it fully goes through, then your Wi-Fi is working. If it is not your Wi-Fi or data issues, we're gonna go down here to General, iPhone storage. Go ahead and go to search in the top right and look up Spotify. And here we're gonna hit on offload app. This will clear any cache that you might have in the Spotify app. Once you do that, we're gonna go back to the Spotify app on our home screen, press on it, and it should reinstall. That is how to fix your Spotify having no internet connection.